tired of fate fortunes being sold. I'm tired of my tires burning over on the road. I'm tired of the distance, the lengths that I go to. I'm trying to get a bit of credit from you. Fuck that, real love feels real, so I don't need to try to synthesize the feel. I'm trying to unlock doors with these musical keys. My friend's poetry turn a Z to a G, oh no. And all I do is twinkle the ivory keys indulgently, cause I do this for me, I know. And it just feels a little bit like somebody got a hole in my pocket. Cause I've been trying to do this right, with no profits and the loss I can't stop it. Consumption lies at the heart of my bad habits. I live in a world where I want but can't have it. Tell me why that is the way it is. I need some real love to feel real, but people all around me still trying to hypnotize the feel. And trying to unlock doors with these musical keys. Habitually I smoke as it